Hi folks, look at SharperTrades. Chewy.com. Chewy.com has been on my watch list. Was last week something on the focus list. Didn't do much as a movement in terms of intraday trading, but still on my watch list. A good consolidation, reporting positive earnings, and today made a move. Went as high as 37.16 and then did a pullback. Just as Susan pointed out in the trading room, 37.49 is the resistance that this thing needs to break and go through. My approach is enter before a breakout takes place, because sometimes it breaks out and then re-enters, and then you have more risk. But the tendency could be, an approach could be partial position, enter, and then add on a breakout confirm. Different strategies, pick the one that works best for you. For me, this is a good entry. My first target is here 38 and the 200 SMA. And if it breaks through and holds the 200 simple moving average, this is going to have a lot of potential. 41, 44, and 47 as the targets. The supports, we keep them tight, 35.50 and 34.50. Hello traders, Luca here with what I believe is an exciting opportunity to get you up and trading as quickly and confidently as possible. And the best way I came up with to do that is by offering analyst systems where you can see us trade in real time as a group. So if you go to SharperTrades.com and you click on the pricing tab right here, you see those products pop up. What I'm offering you today is a deal on the alert systems, because I really want you up and trading as quickly and confidently as possible. As you know, knowledge is power, but if you don't put the knowledge into use, then what's the benefit of learning all the stuff in the end? So to get you up and learning as quickly and confidently as possible, I created a code here, PR11, for as low as $1 for the first month. After that, it will automatically kick in to the regular price if you decide to stick with a particular service. You can cancel anytime, no questions asked. Stay for as long as you want, whatever you find beneficial to you and your trading. So again, as always, thank you for your support, thank you for watching, and good trading. See you inside.